Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipak Varsani. Last year I bought Apple Watch Ultra and I liked it so much, so this year I'm gifting Apple Watch Series 9 to my family member, and in this video I'm going to take you through the unboxing of the watch. So this is Apple Watch box. So inside it includes Apple Watch band and a USB-C charging cable. Power adapter is not included in this box, we have to buy separately. And then there are some other features that mentions that it supports LTE and UMTS. Some capability depends on region, wireless plan and network. Apple Watch Series 9 is compatible with iPhone XS or later version. So now here we will unbox the watch. So this is the packaging, and this is the watch and that's the band. Now first we will open this watch. We have to remove this sticker. So we have to remove this cover, protection cover. This is magnetic charging cable. It is C-type charging cable. It sticks on the watch like this. So the adapter for the charging is not included here. We have to buy it separately. So the watch I have bought is stainless steel, graphite stainless steel, and you can also get in aluminum, and there are other color options. So now we will unbox the bands. It is midnight band. This is the guide on how to put the bands on the watch and on your wrist. So if we follow this guide, then this band will come this side. So you push the band till it clicks. And now the other side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.